Hello, my name is Christopher Kutsin. I'm going to be showing you today my favorite software on the computer. It is an application on the MacBook, and it is a game. In order to get to it, you come right down here through the Launchpad, and you click the Game of Life. This is my favorite application on this computer. This is the loading screen. In order to start a game, you can either click a solo game here, or you can click party mode here. Party mode is for family members, or for if you have friends over, it's for multiple people to play. Solo game is just for you. I had it in previous games, so I'm gonna delete that. Just start a new one to show you. First, you choose your favorite color. My favorite color is blue, so I'm gonna choose blue. And you can choose any player you want to, male or female, doesn't matter. I'm gonna come over here and press John. Instead of using player one, you can type in your name, and that'll give you more. It'll make it more personal for you. And then you come down here and click OK. You can choose how many players you want to. 6 people will be a longer game. 2 people will be the shortest game. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to choose 2. As you can see, I'm going to be going up against Malcolm. You can pick 3 show the wealth cards. These are cards that are going to give you perks throughout the game. So choose wisely, but you can choose any one you want. See, I got 3 cards. Come down here and click OK. In order to play, you're going to click, and you're going to come up here to spin. In order to spin, you're going to click down, and you're going to move the mouse one way or another, and you're going to let go as you move it. And if you have a mouse pad, you just click down on the mouse pad, you slide your finger over, and you lift up as you want to let go of it. I got a 7, so that means Malcolm would have to roll an 8 or a 10 in order to go first. He got a 6, so I get to go first. So you have 2 options to begin. You can either choose college or career. Career doesn't have as much upside, but college needs a $100,000 loan, which will come out at the end of the game. But I always choose college because it gives you more upside. So now you have to click. So you can always click to play down here, and then spin. See, I landed on a 2 that time, so I'm only going to move 2 spaces. The different spaces have different meanings. That gives you plus to money. The red one gives you minus money. Malcolm chose to go right to a career. On any given turn, you can either fast forward or skip. I did both just to show you could do it. I'm going to spin again because it's my turn. And you keep going back and forth on your turns in order to make your way through this brief life. Landing on different spaces, going through the ups and downs of life. It's just a simulation of that. The life tiles will be good at the end of the game. This is my favorite software on the computer because it's a game that you can play with anybody. Everybody always has a fun time playing it, and it really, it's not something you idly play. It's something you get really involved in, and it's not like watching Netflix or Hulu where your brain shuts off. This is something where you can really participate. So at the end of the college, I got accountant and computer designer. I'm gonna choose accountant to go through. And the first payday are these green spaces. The first payday is right in front of me, so I'm gonna get paid on the first space. And I just passed. I just passed the other player. I just passed 2 paydays, and now I'm getting married. In order to get out of this, you can now spend the wedding gifts. I didn't receive any wedding gifts because I rolled too low of a number. In order to get out of this game, you're gonna click pause, exit game, say yes, and you come down here to exit game, and yes. And now you're back to the main screen of your computer. I hope you enjoyed watching this YouTube video. It on my favorite software on the computer, and I hope that you get it and enjoy it too. Thank you.